Hi Tubman, it's Mrs. Morell. I'm back with a short video with our article from yesterday, and we're going to talk about how to summarize today. Yesterday we started to read this article, Meet the 11-year-old who invented a healthy lollipop. We're going to look at the part that we read yesterday. I would like you to read again to yourself from here to here. Let's read it together. Alina Morse is 11 years old. She already has her own business. Alina invented Lollipops. These are lollipops made without sugar. They keep kids from getting tooth cavities. Alina's lollipops are a success. In 2014, she sold her millionth lollipop. Alina is in the 5th grade. She lives in Michigan. She answered questions about how she invented a yummy, sugar-free candy. What inspired you to create Lollipops? Once I went to the bank with my dad. Someone offered me a lollipop. I love candy. I know it is bad for my teeth, though. I asked my dad, can we make a sucker that is really good for you? So we're going to use this part to talk about how we can summarize what happened with Alina. We're going to use a strategy called somebody wanted but so. We can summarize. We can say what happened in a text in a short way. This is one way that we can do that. Somebody wanted, but so. Many inventors have a problem, say problem, to solve. Alina had a problem. We can think about this using somebody wanted something, but problem, so what they did. Let's think about this with Alina. We're going to think about who and what we just read about. So, who is this article about? Let's go back and look at it. Who is this article about? Say it. Right, Alina. This article is about Alina. She's our somebody, the who. So Alina wanted. What did Alina want? Say it. Right, Alina wanted a lollipop. Let's write that down. Alina wanted a lollipop. Somebody wanted, Alina wanted something, a lollipop. But what's the problem? Let's go back and look. Look down here. What is the problem? Alina wanted a lollipop, but candy is bad for teeth. Alina wanted a lollipop, but candy is bad for teeth. So, what did she do? Let's look again. What did Alina do? Say it. Let's look back in the text and find it. Alina invented Lollipops. These are lollipops made without sugar. Let's write it. Alina wanted a lollipop, but candy is bad for teeth, so she invented Lollipops, lollipops without sugar. So we took what we read in this article and we summarized it. We said it in a short way using somebody wanted but so. Say it with me. Somebody wanted but so. Let's read our example together. Alina wanted a lollipop, but candy is bad for teeth, so she invented Lollipops, lollipops without sugar. Great work. Thank you for helping me to summarize using somebody wanted but so. Tomorrow, we'll keep reading this article and we will learn how Alina made Lollipops. Check back tomorrow for a new video. In the meantime, keep reading at home, stay safe, and I miss you. Bye.